1982 Chevrolet S10 regular cab short box. This thing's kind of like a time capsule. 13,424 original miles on it. It's going to come with the owner's manuals. There's actually a invoice, also a preliminary price information sheet, some cool paperwork that'll go with this. 1.9 liter, 4-cylinder, underneath the hood, power steering, power brakes. This would be almond and nugget gold, two-tone, as you can see by the lower passenger side there. It's also going to come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included in the purchase price. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can call in at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. And yes, that paint looks as good in person as it does in the pictures and the videos. Riding on the steel wheels with the correct Chevrolet wheel covers, white wall radials. And look down the side of this thing. I mean, just not all full of nicks, dings, or scratches. How many of these went by the wayside over the years? And this one looks like it came off the Chevrolet showroom floor. 4-speed manual transmission, original vinyl bench seat. Take a look at the bed of it. I don't think it had to do a lot of hauling in its day. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Painted rear bumper. This is actually where it was sold new. We elected to leave that on the tailgate. That's in with the paperwork where it was sold new. Also remember, open door policy for third-party inspectors. You can't make it to look at this one yourself. Maybe due to time or distance, want somebody to take a peek at it for you, not a problem. We do try to represent them as fairly as we can with all the pictures and the walk-around video. At the end of this, you're going to be able to see what it's kind of like to take a little virtual drive in it too. We'll do a driving video on it. And you can see driver's side, not all full of nicks, dings, or scratches either. And like I said, take a look at this interior. Thing is literally about like a time capsule. Rubber flooring, the floor mats, one little crack here in the side vinyl. Optional sliding rear glass. AM radio works, wipers work. Does have a cruise. It's fired up. We're gonna check out that engine bay.
To win close to as many games as they won.
Here, the radio is working.
North. So
here's your exact miles, 13,424. If you can kind of see that, there you go. It's a 3 behind that speedometer needle. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures also. Top of the dash looks good. With the headliner. Headliner looks good. Sounds as you'd expect. 1.9 liter 4-cylinder. Let's slip up to the front. Let me pause this real quick. I'm going to get this hood open and we'll check out that engine bay. Underside of the hood and the engine bay. As you can see, power steering, power brakes, and pretty much looks the way you'd expect it to. And the miles that are on it, lack of corrosion, extremely clean. And remember, 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. 1982 Chevrolet S10 regular cab short box. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1982 Chevrolet S10 pickup truck. This would be a regular cab, 4-speed manual on the floor. Very, very nice condition, very low mile vehicle. The odometer showing 13,422 miles. This is an excellent running little S10. It really does feel like a new truck. Blower motor works, wipers work.
your horse for competition season.
Believe it or not, AM radio, and that works as well. Color matched inside and outside. Very unique color scheme. Very different. Temperature gauge working. We're at a quarter of the gauge. About 170. Fuel gauge is working. It's 3/4 full. Oil pressure also working. Showing about 60 psi. The volts are showing 14.5. All that looks good. Clutch feels good. Shifting feels very good. Brakes are working well. Nice, light, little, nimble truck, easy to drive. Clutch is easy to depress. Corner as well. I don't think I've ever seen an 82 this clean, this rust free, this good a condition. When you get going down the road, if you let go of the wheel, it stays perfectly straight. No vibrations, no shakes. Perfectly smooth ride. Very nice little S10. Take a look at all the pictures and read all about it at uniqueclassiccars.com.